Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel. Today we are going to continue our lesson on Photoshop and we are going to look at how we can design this simple flyer as a beginner. So you are going to learn the basic tips you need to know as usual as I always say. So first of all, please subscribe to my channel, like and share it for me. Give your comment too. So before we start, please let's create our new working space using Ctrl N. So today I'm going to use a 4 by 4 inch and a resolution of 300. So I'm going to create my working space. So the first thing I'm going to do is to design my background image. So for the background image, I'm going to use these images. So for these images, I'll get away or I'll give them into. So for this image, I'll provide them later on the YouTube channel. So 1 week later, you can check for these images if you want to try this design. So first of all, I'm going to import in my images into the working space. So this is the first image. Then I'm going for the next image. So this is the next image I'm going to use. So the next thing is for me to go in for the other images as well. So I'll use this image. And I'm going to make sure this image cover the down image too. So I'm going to use this image to cover this part. You check out, then need to get a good blending option or the color merging. So the next thing I'm going for this color and then make sure this background image to cover the entire page. Then I'm going to blend this one with all the images. So this is what we are going to get for now as our background image. So I'll then go on to add the other images as well. So I'm going to add this image to. So for this image to I'm not interested in this part, so I'm going to trim the top part. I want to use only the down part. So I'll go for the rectangular marquee tool and click on it and select the part I want to trim. Click on it, select the part I want to trim. Then I'll press on delete to delete the object. Let's rasterize it first and then delete it. Control D to deselect it. So now I'm going to transform this image, Control C to transform it, opacity of it, let somewhere about 50%. Move this one to crop so that the blending mode will cover that part too. So now you can see how this image now looks like. Let me bring this one to crop small. So this is okay. So the next thing is for me to go in for my last image that I will be using, and this is the last image I'm going to use. So I'm going to position it somewhere here. Let me transform it. So I'm going to blend this image too. So I'm going to use this color as the blending mode. Let me use the lighting blending mode. Then for the next thing is I'm going to add hue and saturation to it. Going for our test view and provide the test as. So for the test, I already have the test as usual, so I'll be copying and pasting them. First one is the sun event. So the next thing is for me to give in my test. So going for the test to them, I'm going to write all the tests. Copy all, then take them here. So sound state event present them. So let me start arranging them. And the filling color is white, so we choose white for it. Press enter. The next thing is also to provide the test for that part. But before that, let me try and put my test to make it them. Then November, then now I'm done with that test. So the next thing is for me to draw this small rectangle here. Small rectangle. Then let's choose a filling color for it. Just before we would do the rest, grouping makes our work easier. That's why I like grouping my works. So I'm going to group all the tests within this rectangle. Then let me call it as rec info. Anyhow you save it. So the next thing is I'm going to click on this rectangle here and I'm going to make a copy. I need three of them, so I'm going to make a copy for this part and this part. So to make copy, we are going to press on Ctrl J. Then we take the move tool to move it. Then Ctrl J to also make another copy of them. I want it in terms of the font size. So I'm going to decrease its size. Let me say something about 12. Then let me move it up. So I think this is now okay. That's our 9th November. So for the November, I'm going to also introduce that one. So I'm going to decrease. Let me choose the font, the text. Then let me make the font size for the 10th to be 12, as I did for the 19th, for the 9th. Then I'm going to increase the PM small. So the width of the PM, so I'm going to set it to the same 150, like the height of the PM. I'm going to set it to the 150%. Then I'll increase the font size to about 16. So let me increase the font size again to somewhere like 18 because it can cover that part in 18. Let me position the pen well. I think that part two is okay for now. So the next thing is to do same for the not for case. So for that one too, we go. So I think now this is okay for now. So that's the not for case session. And now you can see we are done with this part of the testing. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to close the content within this rectangle. Don't forget we've grouped X as the red info. So the next thing is for me to provide the color effects of this text. So for the color effects, I used another image to get the color effect, and this is the image I used. So I'm going to drag and drop that image on top of this one, on top of that part, and then I'm going to use a clipping mask effect. So I'm going to create clipping mask to get the color of that part. And now you can see the color by using the clipping mask. So the next thing is to provide a styling for this part too. And I've grouped them too. So I'll just go to the group for that part and then start with the styling. So that is the topic to into. So the first one is the soundscape event. So first of all, let me choose the font family for that one too. So this is the font I'm going to use for that part. Then let me change the color to white, to FFF, to get my white color. And then let me position it well. So let me go in for the present view. So for the present, I'm going to use the agency FB as the text view for the present. And for the present, I'm going to increase the rate or the distance between the text to about 500%. Then let me position it well. So I'll then decrease the font size to about 12 pixels. Let me continue decreasing the font size. Let me use 10%, and then increase the distance between the text to somewhere about 700%. Then let me change the font color to the white, press enter, and position it well again. So the next thing is into the wild. The next text is the wild line. Come here. Let me take this one off. Same text, the font family used for the soundscape to provide that one too. So that to provide for that one. We are going to use that same text, that is the Rockwell extra bold regular. Then we change the color to white. Let's position that one too. So then the next thing is the wild night. That's the main theme of the that's the main theme of, and we are going to use this font family for it. Then let me change the color to white as usual. Then let me increase this one to somewhere about 250. If it is not enough, let me make it about 300%, or let me make it even 400 so that it will become big and bold enough. So you can see the width is too much, so I'm going to decrease the width more, the height rather, sorry. So let me make this height to be somewhere about, let's say, 350%. 350 is even still too much. Let me make it 300. So let me use the width to be 300%. Leave it on this side. So I'm going to decrease the width of the into the wall. I'm going to decrease that font size to 12. So let me decrease it to 12. Then the next one is for me to go in for the last test within this. So for this one, we are going to choose the font family for it. And I'm going to use this font family. So now we are done with the styling of the text within this box. So let's do this one too. So for this one, we are just going to change the text color to white. So let's go in for that part. So we are going to select that layer. Then let's change the color to white. Press enter. Let's decrease the font size. So let me change the color to white and also take the other digits, change the color to white. So now you can see how the line now looks like. So you can see we've been getting rid of this bulletin, but we don't need any bulletin in this case. So now you can see we are almost done with this flyer. So the next thing is for us to add, we can go on to add some shadows to this box shadow to make the text more clear and viewable. So let's select that group, that's the DJs group. and then click on the FX, or you can either double click on it, this layer to add drop down shadow. Get in where you see here is where you want to add a drop down shadow, small drop down. So you want to add some shadow to that part. So let me decrease the opacity to see the effect. So let me change the color. Let me use red to see the effect. Then let me decrease the opacity. So let's decrease the opacity. So I think now this is okay as compared to the first one. So then let's click on OK for now. So the next thing is let's add a small drop shadow effect to this one too. So let's go and select the topic part. So that's the layer. Then let's double click on it, decrease the drop down, increase the distance. So I'm going to change this one to plain black to make it more visible. Compared to this. So now we are done with the flyer. As you can see, we've been able to implement everything here. So we can select all and add some hue and saturation to it. Or let me work on the background only. Let me add hue and saturation to the background, and let's see the kinds of colors we can get and choose the best one out of it. When I bring it here, you can see that's okay. And then let me check on this. Then let me work on the lightness more. So I think this one is now okay for now. So for you to achieve this, you just need to adjust your hue and saturation to achieve that part. Okay.